Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in music, literature, and religious contexts, requiem. It might seem a bit unfamiliar, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is requiem. Let's break it down. First, we have rec, which sounds like the word wreck. Next is we, which rhymes with see. Finally, we have which is a soft ending like the in album. Now, let's put it all together. Requiem. Try repeating after me. Requiem. Now a little faster. Requiem. And at full speed. Requiem. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. A requiem is a mass or musical composition for the dead, often performed at funerals or memorial services. It can also mean an artistic work that serves as a tribute to something that has passed. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce requiem and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.